You do. And so do they. They know you're the Foreign Devil's flunky. What? You want to hit me?
Nagluluto ng bulaklak.
Sino?
So I'm a flunky, am I? Well, this flunky has some money. And money is what matters out there. Now what are you? A down on his luck?
Pampulutan.
Ganyan sana kulay mo, brown.
You can't eat ideas. Ask
Malakas
yourself,
kasi,
old man.
malakas ang apple niya.
Does anyone notice? Your students won't remember you. Your students won't take care of you. They all work for me now. That's your life's work, kid. You have nothing now. This flunky took it all away.
Ha? Oo nga. Mechanics. Wala, nalaki na problema ito. Nakalimandaan eh. Sino mo nakalimandaan? Sino mo itsura? Nakalimandaan. Ano yan? Ano ba yan?
Healthy smooth hair bath. Switch now. Magdiyak yung tiyan ng
Hoy!
bata. Apektado pati ang katawan. Kaya upgrade to Dutch Mill Delight. The only probiotic drink na may prebiotics that help multiply.
Nice. 12 pesos and 64 centavos ang overall electricity rate this July.
Alright! I can't believe you tried to slam me! But damn it! You really want to kill me?
Hurt me again. You won't leave here alive. Come on, now, let's get over here.
Wala nang laman.
It's over. Go home. Now break it up.